there's a bear right beside me. Behind the trees, you see. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Red Deer, Alberta. It is about an hour and a half away from Edmonton. I spent about a week in Edmonton, and then on the way here, actually, I stopped in a small town called Leduc, which was adorable. I actually spent the night there and I explored for the day. I don't have any video footage of it because I just wanted to enjoy this really cute town. So put Leduc, Alberta on your list of things to see and do in Alberta. As you can see behind me here, I've got a nice beautiful river, so I'm doing a little bit of a walk through a park. Now you may be wondering, why is the city called Red Deer? Well, it's because of these guys right here. It says here mole deer, or also red deer, or heifer deer of the two deer species in the park. Look for a short black-tipped tail and darker body. So that's the red deer. And that's what we're gonna look for today. Some red deer. Woohoo! Now if you're a biker, then there's a lot of paths to see in this city, for sure. If there's one thing I'm noticing across Canada, it's all of these scooter rentals. And you can sort of leave them wherever you want. I kind of disagree with that because this is where they end up. I think they need a docking station, so you can't throw them into the river. Kerry Wood Nature Center. Alright, so the area I'm about to cover is about 4 kilometers around the lake in the center with abundance of nature, so let's check it out. Well, I noticed about a week or two ago that the leaves were already starting to change and starting to fall. And it was only August. It's now September 13th today, but I think we have an early fall. Well, that was a super nice sanctuary. I needed that. Nice and relaxing, 4-kilometer walk. Now it's time to do some biking, see a little more of the outside of Red Deer, and then possibly downtown, depending on what time it is. So if you've watched any of my previous videos of my around the world journey, I stopped a lot of times in cemeteries. I don't know what it is with me in cemeteries, but I enjoy hanging out in them. I haven't been to one on this Canada road trip, so I'm gonna hang out in one now. Historic downtown. Welcome to City Hall Park. The old railway station. So this path I'm biking on is called North Bank Trail, and this is Bower Ponds. the area I'm in right now. Beautiful park. This building is a little tea house. Closed today, but adorable. Well, I must admit, I've been only 2 days in Red Deer, but it's pretty damn adorable. I gotta say that. A lot of really nice bike paths, really nice parks. It is definitely a smaller city compared to Edmonton, where I just came from. Calgary is next, so I'm curious to see how that is. But Red Deer is exactly in the middle of Edmonton and Calgary, about an hour and a half drive in each direction. Very lovely locals, kids playing behind. Red Deer's got a good vibe, so high on my list. Good job, Red Deer. Now, as you can see, the Red Deer River is very shallow, the entire thing, and it runs through the whole city. If you have a chance to look at a map, you'll see that it snakes its way all the way through the whole city of Red Deer. Okay, it's time for the highlight. If you actually Google top things to see in Red Deer, Heritage Ranch is #1. Apparently it's a beautiful area. Lots of hiking paths, biking paths, numerous trails. Let's do it. There's a bear right beside me. Behind the trees, you see. Just kidding. You watched the whole video to see the bear, and there's no bear. I think I'm gonna lose about 100 subscribers now. Shit. Got some deer in the woods. They're running away from me. Well, this ranch has quite a few things to see, and here they've got donkey rides, carriage rides. Good afternoon. So today is my final day in Red Deer. Gonna do a little more biking, and I'm heading to an area, as you can see on this map, 3 Mile Bend. Lots of hiking paths and biking, and also I'm gonna head to Discovery Canyon, which is their water park for the city. Oh boy, I'm heading straight into a storm. Better do this quick. Alright, I made it to Discovery Canyon. There's a golf course, there's a water park, a whole bunch of stuff. But there's also thunderstorms on the way, so I gotta do this quick. Discovery Canyon. Outdoor exploration. Discovery Canyon is an accessible park. Interactive water features, rapids, sandy beaches, viewing decks, picnic areas. Woohoo! And a rainstorm. It's coming. That's it for Red Deer. Thanks for watching, everybody.